Namaste, beautiful people. Welcome back to our 5 days of meditation. Today is only going to be 2 minutes long, so come into a nice comfortable position. Like I said in the description, either lying on your backs in Shavasana, or in a chair, or even just sitting up in a nice comfortable cross-legged seat, whatever seat you choose. Straight away, let's sit up nice and tall through the spine, ever so slightly engaging the core. Take your hands to your knees or to your lap. Close your eyes and just breathe naturally here. Start to feel your chest rise and fall as you inhale and as you exhale. Try to take this time for complete stillness, just 60 seconds times 2. It's not very long. Feeling your chest expand as you inhale and contract on the exhale. When you're ready, let's start to deepen the breath. Inhaling and exhaling in and out of the nose. Try to count on an inhale for 4 seconds and then 4 seconds on your exhale. I'll count with you. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue that in your own mind. If your monkey mind starts to wander, bring your awareness straight back to the breath and back to your counting. Now try to inhale for 6 this time. Exhaling for 6. That's it, our 2 minutes are done. So start to wiggle the fingertips and raise them above the head. If you're in a seated position, keep your eyes closed. Inhale the arms up above the head. Exhale, draw the hands to the heart center. Namaste, my friends. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. 4 minutes of meditation tomorrow. Have a beautiful evening, all day. Namaste.